Hello guys, uh, have a very good morning and I hope you are all fine and doing great. So let me talk about myself today. Today I'm not at my home. I'm having a holiday in Islamabad, and today I'm making this video in a park, so you may get some of the voices from other people's. Please ignore them, and I hope you are all liking my videos and getting all the information you need about the insurance policies and everything else. Today we will be talking about the types of disasters, as we are talking about the 16 types of disasters. 16 types of disaster. What are these disasters? Let's talk about these disasters. What are these and how we can get insured about these disasters? And let's start. So most homeowners policies cover the 16 disasters. What are these disasters? Let's see. So first is the fire and lightning. If you have any damage caused to yourself or your any personal belongings like home, your vehicles or anything from the lightning or the fire, you'll get yourself paid as you have already insured yourself for this. Next one is the windstorm or hail. You can also get yourself paid for this, for the loss caused by this disaster. Next one is the explosion, and other is the riot or civil commotion, damage caused by aircraft, damage caused by vehicles. Next is the smoke, vandalism or malicious mischief, theft, volcanic eruption, falling objects, weight of ice, snow or sleet, accidental discharge or overflow of water or steam from within the plumbing, heating, air conditioning or automatic fire protective sprinkler system or from household appliances. So next one is the sudden and accidental tearing apart, cracking, burning or bubbling of a steam or hot water heating system and air conditioning or automatic fire protective systems. Next disaster is the freezing of plumbing, heating, air conditioning or automatic fire protective sprinkler system or of the household appliances. Sudden and accidental damage from artificially generated electric current does not include loss to a tube, transistor or similar electronic components. Uh, let's talk about the advantages or benefits of the policies. There are a lot of advantages to the policies. If you have insurance, you don't have to worry about the loss caused by any of these disasters. Like, let me give you an example of my cousin. He has a car and he broke the back window shield due to an explosion in the air freshener. As he parked his car in the sun, the air freshener burst and broke the back window shield. But he wasn't worried because he has his car insured. So he just went to the workshop and paid from the insurance, and that's the benefit. So that's all for today, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do hit the bell icon to get yourself notified. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.